In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task dependencies in Goodday. Task dependencies are a powerful way to make sure your work happens in the right order and that no one starts a task before the things it relies on are finished. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a dependency to a task and connect it to a predecessor, so your project flows smoothly from one step to the next. First, start by opening Goodday and navigating to the task you want to work with. This is the task that will depend on something else being done first. You might be in a project board, a list view, or any other view, but the key is to click and select the specific task you want to add a dependency to. Once the task is open, you'll see its details, like the title, description, assignee, and dates. Next, look towards the top area of the task window for a small plus sign. This plus icon is used to add extra elements or relationships to your task. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, a menu will appear with several options for things you can attach to this task, such as links, files, or different types of relations. From that menu, choose the option labeled Dependency. This tells Goodday that you want to define how this task is connected to other tasks in your project. Selecting Dependency will open up a panel or dialog where you can specify exactly what kind of dependency you need. Within this dependency panel, you'll see options like predecessor and possibly successor. A predecessor is a task that must be completed before the current task can begin or be finished. Click on predecessor to indicate that you're setting up a task that comes before the one you're editing. This is useful for building a clear timeline, avoiding bottlenecks, and helping your team understand what needs to happen first. After you've selected predecessor, you will be prompted to choose which specific task should play that role. You can search or scroll through your tasks and then click on the task title Marketing Campaign Video. By selecting this, you're telling Goodday that the marketing campaign video must be completed before the current task can move forward. Once that's done, your dependency is set. Your task is now linked to its predecessor, giving your project a more